Don't go anywhere if you like Genshin Impact, and especially if you like the Fatui, because I have something in store for you. These took about 3 months to arrive, continuing with like how long it took me to design them, but yes, I'm so excited to share with you. My mini plushes are in. First up, we have the Wanderer. It's so cute. I love that his animo design. They look so cute together. Next up is Hu Tao. We have her little pirate symbol at the back. She's gonna be a cute bunny. Also, she will have a bunny tail at the very end. And then we have Zhao, and his color combos are so perfect. Now, Fatui fans, I have something in just for you guys. We have Tartaglia and Arlecchino. I think that's how you pronounce it. Oh my god, someone tell me how to pronounce her name, because I actually don't know how to pronounce it. This is really bad. But these are my plushies. This took me so long to make them, but I'm so happy with how they turned out. They're so cute. And actually, all of them are up for pre-order right now. The link is in my bio if you're interested.
Perfect. Oh my god.
Isn't it great?
Chris.
I know, it's my dream.